through, just go sit wait. Sit down for 15 minutes and relax. There's Zach in the woods.
How's it going, guys? Just going to give you a quick update on what I'm doing. I haven't been able to get into the field this week, but I thought I'd just make a quick video on what I got. A couple days ago, my new Xcel stream came in. It's got full HD 1080p. I can control it right from my iPhone. And also, I bought this new shotgun barrel mount, which is actually really good. It clips right onto the ribs of the barrel. I'll show you. So this way, when it goes on the ribs, it won't be in my way when I'm shooting or looking down the sights, which is actually very efficient. Just goes on just like that. Alright guys, that's all I got for this week, so as always, I'll see you in the woods.